If you live in an area where the weather isn't always as warm as you might like it to be, but you don't want to turn on your furnace to heat up the whole house, I have something here that may be just what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Carl from Apt, and this is the Vornado Velocity 5R whole room heater, and it's the perfect way to make a room warmer without turning on your whole system. Design-wise, it's actually pretty good looking as far as room heaters go. It's compact at just under a foot tall, it's about 10 inches wide, and it's about 7.5 inches deep, and it comes with a 6-foot long power cord, which makes it easy to get it into a good position to heat the room effectively. Then on the top, you've got a well laid out control panel. There's a display that indicates the room temperature and the set temperature, as well as what mode you're using, and there's 3 to choose from. High heat, which operates at 1500 watts, low heat at 750 watts, and fan only, which can circulate the heated air in the room, or if it's a hot day outside, you can even use it as a fan to cool off. In addition, it also comes with a timer to turn the power off after a certain amount of runtime, and a nighttime mode that turns off all the lights on the display except for the nighttime button. However, if you don't want to use the controls on the unit itself, or you're just getting comfy on the couch and don't feel like getting up, it also comes with a remote which has all the same functionality. And when you're not using it, you can actually just store it on the bottom of the heater with a magnet that's built in, so you're less likely to misplace it. Then there are a few notable safety features like a cool touch case, so you don't need to worry about burning yourself, and an automatic safety shutoff system in case airflow gets blocked, and there's also an auto shutoff if the heater gets knocked over. And finally, after you turn it off using the power button on the unit itself or on the remote, it's going to continue to run for another 20 seconds to remove any of that excess heat from the heating element before it completely shuts down. As far as how large of a room it can heat, it really depends on some conditions like your windows, insulation, and the ceiling height, but in general, you can expect this to effectively heat room sizes up to about 350 square feet, assuming about an 8-foot tall ceiling, so it's perfect for most bedrooms or offices. So if you've got a room in your home that needs some supplemental heat, or you just like the idea of being able to heat a single room when you don't need to warm up the rest of your home, the Vornado Velocity 5R is a great model to consider, and it's available right here at Apt. Be sure to check it out at the link in the description, or give our experts a call for more info. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.